남에게 상황을야 나도 들리시고 잡지도 다른 게 텐저니에게 그쳐 아무도 쉬어이.
First of all, I would like to wish good morning to everyone, and we will continue discussing the precious human life.
다들야 당분간이야 다 슝기 쓰이디 마지 교나야 오면서 대다라 제발라 대박 거야 대박면은 까베슈 율이 미겠어 대다라야 바바 주변 돌래 대박 매변면 까베슈는 미기데 사베메 있어버라 누구는 뭐 지시는 些 송바다 상계 패버진 돌래야 스베네지 대박 총에 상계 전주 시에버 민유수 些 송소 대나 대박 깨버자데 바바 자스르 벌래야 레야 까자와 그거 대발을 저러지 니네 디진십에 소환돼 봐고 些 송소 와나 대발 셰자와데 지대버시 인시하나 대발라에나 숨여데 이체베 대반 되베 대바 당에 대바 텔레 이체베 대바네 유 레던 드부당 동해기 대바다 군중기 대발라 되네 겨와인데 대학교 레인 리뷰 양감지 대완종 이체 미기웨 레인 리뷰 양감지 동해종 이체 미유웨 레인 리뷰 강고만이 대완종 이체 군중기 대바 셰자 레던 용모 바제 동해기 대바 셰자 사세기 부모가다 이체바 네베 대바네 라네메베 전주더니 개발전도 통해 대탑에서도 그거든 내면 라마 로바 당외 대반에 유군조수나 되는 개와인데 남담으로서 상계군조다 남도 규바 최군조다 남주베 trosu 규바 긴두군조라 면시 그라 셈다오 대야 청원발에 대박 간시는 레던 저보다 대바다 군조랑 어버리 이체바던 대바다 셈다오 셰소소 야는 제 친구는 눈에 세단 저보다 몸배 간시 최면다 테네 대바전시 장예버리비 뇌셔 이些送的 테란 눈배 쳐를 민다와는 뇌사기 처는 최미동한테 빼나 신신나를 켜라 세노람 부매단 기실에서 자가신 보다기 최통시서야 미동와 세단가 쳐를 민다와는 콘트롤 처는 최미동한테 빼나 신시기 다랑아라 뇌바침보쳐라 다루에 뇌바침보쳐도 좀 최미동와 집에 쳐를 민다와는 세배 처는 최미동한테 빼나 가신나를 최미동나包숨겨져는 일이 최길로 사상강아 줬어요. 최미동화 몸에 최리민다와리 미시비 처는 최미동화 변한 가신 나를 남미딘 지부미딘 군조수미딘 최세네 지시 최쇼스 최미동화 대답 남바시다 대말에 대바진 일이 주변에서 있는 대바 유에나 편바도면 기부초게 섬겨와이 미공반은 뭐에 왕보선 노시 세와이 수리 민년바이 녀모반 제로와이 뉴기 주일린다와이 타벨람 예브르교와이 개와자심보 소바이 상계만 보통와이 상기 진기로바이 대라 소바이 연제 섬기미게바죠 대다량 구조 딸레 손에 구조 딸랄리 손에 제다 제외쇼라 되기 상기 세게 쥐라 대제바 전술하나메바 대교나 기부 전부 남기 셈게오 셰발라서고 송소 야 대바요나 상게 좀 된데 남게 대 정도 준 최전 버체도 대들어야 전주 선배 되는래 대다 대발은 내비 전주 선배니 상게 좀 된데 남게 상게 취기 뇌도리네 대 정도 시기 전주 선배 라면 아버 양타버 떼도 셰서 대다는 밀류 좀 붙이 셰자 류텐주 나바니다 내 셈타바 나바 숨다 된바데 라면 전주 주비 땡기 가사에는 담배 주의신기 노부 타바른 부지 겐래
So I think it would be best to start by just reading the words of the text. Following the virtuous path requires faith. Without faith, virtue cannot develop in one's being. Thus the 10 Dharma Sutra says, without virtuous qualities cannot grow in a person without faith, just as a green sprout does not shoot from a burned seed. Also, the Garland of Buddha's Sutras says, a worldly person with little faith cannot understand the Buddha's enlightenment. Therefore, one should develop faith. The Noble Profound Representation Sutra says, Ananda, fuse your mind with faith. This is the request of the Tathagata. In that case, what does faith mean? There are three kinds of faith: trusting, longing, and clear. Trusting faith, understand that this faith depends upon the topic, cause and result, the truth of suffering, which comes from the truth of origin. Furthermore, it comes from trusting that happiness in the desire realm is the fruit of virtuous causes. Trust that the suffering of the desire realm is the fruit of non-virtuous action. Trust that the happiness of the two higher realms is the result of unmoving actions. Trust that by engaging in non-virtuous actions of body, speech, and afflictive emotions, which are called the truth of origin, one obtains the 5 defiled skandhas, which are called the truth of suffering. Longing faith. Understand that the extraordinary nature of unsurpassable understanding the extraordinary nature of unsurpassable enlightenment, one follows the path with respect and reverence in order to obtain it. Clear faith. Clear faith arises in one's mind by depending upon the three jewels. Develop devotion for and interest in the Buddha as the teacher who shows the path, the Dharma which becomes the path, and the Sangha which guides one in order to accomplish the path. The Abhidharma says, what is faith? It is trusting, longing, and clarity regarding cause and result, truths, and the three jewels. Furthermore, the precious jewel garland mentions, one who does not give up Dharma through desire, aversion, fear, or ignorance is called one who has great confidence in the Dharma. This person is the supreme vessel for the achievement of the ultimate state. Not giving up Dharma through desire means not abandoning the Dharma out of attachment. For example, even if someone said, if you give up Dharma, I will give you the great reward of worth, a man or a woman, or royalty, and so forth, still you would not give it up. Second, not giving up Dharma through aversion means not forsaking the Dharma through hatred. For example, suppose someone harmed you in the past. Even if you continued to be harmed in the present, you would not give up the Dharma. Third, do not give up the Dharma through fear. For example, someone may come to you and say, if you don't give up the Dharma, I will order 300 soldiers to cut 5 ounces of meat from your body every day. Even then you would not give up the Dharma. Fourth, not giving up the Dharma through ignorance means not deserting the Dharma out of stupidity. For example, someone may tell you that there are no such things as the truth of action or the truth of result, and that the three jewels are not valid, and ask, why do you practice the Dharma? Give it up. Still you would not give it up. One with these four confidences has real faith and is the supreme vessel for gaining definite goodness. Thus, one who has such faith obtains inconceivable beneficial effects: cultivation of a Supreme Being's attitude, avoidance of all undesirable conditions, possession of a very sharp and clear awareness, and moral ethics that will not decline. That person will destroy all afflicting emotions, will go beyond being subject to the Mara's obstacles, and will find the path of liberation. That person will accumulate great virtues. That person will see many Buddhas and receive magnificent blessings of the Buddha, and so forth. The Dharani, called Triple Jewel, says, one who has devotion for the Buddha and the Dharma of the victorious one who has confidence in the Bodhisattva's way of life. If such a one has confidence in the unsurpassable enlightenment, then that person will cultivate the excellent being's mind. The exalted Buddhas will appear in front of one who has faith and give Dharma teachings. The Bodhisattva basket says, thus when Bodhisattvas have faith, all the exalted Buddhas will see them as proper vessels, appear to them, and show them the perfect path of the Bodhisattvas. Thus the precious human body, which has leisure, endowment, and the three faiths, is called the working basis for the practice of supreme enlightenment. That is the second chapter dealing with a working basis from the jewel ornament of liberation.
다텔라야 남규 람준기 고 신예 딘즈니 소이 최인고 텐줄 예간의 소인체 데지 송수지 다 예비임브라 다 남게 자와 신예 딘즈 순주단라 신예 템바테야 데네 다 테발라라레 인두산에 자와 테바종아스 데지 송고아레 네 인두산은 다 테바디시브지 개좀데 신예 대아디난다 삼절 니기관의 신예 된고인 대안도 상바드 개체와 인두산은 자와 대바 종화사디 다 개침지 송교하래.
It is said in many texts of the stages of the path that the basis for the spiritual friend is faith, and the basis for the path is obtaining the precious human body. And so, if we are going to be able to practice the spiritual path, then the basis for that is to have the spiritual friend. And finding a spiritual friend depends upon faith. And so, in this way, faith is the root of the path and the root of being able to practice. And so, it is important for us to have this attitude of faith. And so, it is important for us to develop this basis, faith.
내가 내주 기본주 지주밀레레 베기 대박 칼라요 안 내주기 대박 닝라요 제 내지 송아레스.
The Lord of Yogis said, most people's faith is from their mouth. My yogi's faith is from the heart.
다데 가르사나 미카시 직변하지 치기 철로 사마르베 치기 철로 다 남규르 약보 치 철로도 남규 리버레 충분히나 될래야 되는 촉신체네 라랑기 일에 밥마 다딩에 나와는 로봇 쉬우지 좋은 사람 근데기 일에 밥마 근데가 토하나베 촉신체네 촉신기다 고라가르줘야지 젠다로 체지 진짜 제는 누구야래 다지 대방문에 저요 말았어.
And so what this says is that that most people, when they see the external accoutrements, the way things look on the outsides, they think, oh, that looks really good, and then they feel attachment to it. It sort of fits with their ideas. It makes sense to them, and so they get attached to it. And then they follow that sort of attachment. Such faith is not actual faith.
내는 원박 군주 나올래야 가르쳐 원박 군주 난데 소알 대박 강세나스 대박 강세나 여반이다스 윤den지엔당 누반남라 원박 이체바당 대바당 되는 대바디 뉴베덴체베 레제노스 다들이지 소알다 대박 대백오 말해 대백오 되게 대바사 대바 숨기된 오 숨는 게 알았어.
In the compendium of the Abhidharma, it says this: what is faith? It is having belief and faith and longing for belief in in what exists and doesn't exist, faith in the qualities and longing for the ability. And so this is the faith. This is the support for the practice, and that is the essence of faith. And so in this way, it identifies the three different types of faith.
다들이 인두산에 다 대기 대바 넘어 숨 땡겨 버려. 이세베 대바, 당외 대바, 뇌베 대바데 대바 넘어 숨 땡겨 버려.
So that teaches the three types of faith: the trusting faith, the clear faith, and the longing faith.
대래양 덴디링이 란돌 산안다도 내 균제기 남샤라 따조 렌제기 남샤라 이체바다 되는 니바 온도다 니리기 편유라 이 당화다 가와게와 다는 신다 티버숨기 람드부다 제바 토반데바 덴드뷰기다 대바숨부디 직수 송아什么的这个错了这个送啊다 근데这个냠랜디 테라 송럽 탐지 대 신도네 개차와래서
And so, in this way, the first of these is trusting in the truth of cause and result, trusting in what should be done and what should be given up. The second is feeling confidence and belief in the paths and results to the higher realms and definite goodness. And the third is having strong desire and longing for the results of the three vehicles. So these three types of faith, they all work together and each help each other. And the practice of these is said to be the critical point of all of the different scriptures, and so it is extremely important.
당외 대바를 시험입니다. 당외 대바사디 남주 가르쳐주세요. 다조디 라마다 구조숨게 연대 통화라 되네. 디기비 이초네. 이초 연주산에 취 녀바 당화 신도 샘라 마데바라 소베비 녀모바 탐지 녀바 신이 드네 가르에 디시 운두산에 연대 고마드주다 귤레 기롱아 게 따게 룽룽로 든제기 가르다 런신도 송아 다 드리질이야 다 당외 대바 빼나 착받은 데에 강사지기 되네 착배 유이동아 되네지 통해 겁리야 거라 디게 이초하네 셈리야베 가르쳐야 되지 다 이도 묘하다 지금 든데게 가르쳐야지 민제바로 든데게 넘버 또 삼제 녀버 시도 하레스 아덴도 차디 하레스
If we are to explain them in detail with the clear faith, then this is primarily said to be the faith in the qualities. When one sees the qualities of the Lama and of the three jewels, then your mind is captivated by them. And when it is captivated by them, then just as water, when you let it settle, silty water, when you let it settle, clear. Similarly, when you become captivated by these qualities, then your mind also becomes clear. And so in this way, it's said that you are now able to develop all of the superior qualities, and this just naturally happens. So that is the clear faith, or the sincere faith. It's like, for example, someone who has a lot of desire and attachment, who sees something really attractive. When they see something attractive, their mind is captivated by it. And when their mind is captivated by it, then any unhappiness or discomfort or dissatisfaction at seeing unpleasant objects just naturally dissipates of its own.
다음에는 원도 대바를 찾아옵니다. 다음 원도 대바텔에 기부 숨을 봐 자네 가소스전에 배 자네 삼담배입니다. 천디기다 낭시에 로사는 장도 천디를 샴발로데 쳇치마 다 쳇치메기 대화 된도니에네 다 chedo jamla sobege lendele bebala dene nge sole tagye bada dana shin koala shemba lone dele tawe chedo lamlaba sulan bene bebala dene koala tagye bada tene rangdön yishele shemba lone shendön do chenju do NSD karre ngiligi kongpa da dimi pa chöne dinje da ngiligi kongpa togye ba da dinje ji togye ba ha koyon du sane dinje ji ke da kar tarbasen da chao tobar chao nyambe dinje da 추통주 말아봐 저기 지 꼼바 가면 되면 이제 추처가 되다 가지고 이제 그 추지 양을 모는 추를 통하면 그 남사 될래야 태숨이야 봐 추에서 될래야 용도로 되는 신지 다 꼼바 추처가 되고 아다 된대지 말해서
When we think of the faith of longing, it's when we see the qualities of the results of the three different paths. If we think about it in terms of the three different types of people, if we think about the lesser individual, this is someone who develops revulsion for this life and then wants the pleasures of the future life. From that desire for pleasure in future lives, they go for refuge to the three jewels and are careful about karma, cause, and effect. And through this, they are able to free them. They see that they will be able to free themselves from the three lower realms. Or the middling individuals develop revulsion for samsara. From that revulsion, they practice the three trainings and they see that they will be able to liberate themselves from samsara. And then there are those who develop a revulsion for any selfish interest of their own. They develop bodhicitta. They do the practice of the six paramitas, and through this they will be able to achieve the definite goodness. They'll be able to eliminate and purify the two obscurations as well as all their imprints. So they understand that they will be able to do that. And then they see that result or that liberation that comes from that, and they think to themselves, oh, I want to attain that. I want to gain that for myself. And so they feel the longing to achieve that result, and that is the longing faith. It is like someone who is very thirsty. Their mouth is parched, and they have not had a drink of water for a long time. And when they look for water, they see water far off. Then immediately they'll go to get that water. And so, in this way, this faith of longing is like the thirsty person searching for water.
야, 다트네 유게와 사발 되는 저부 대화조 내 임바당 저부 동해조 내 임바 유미게와 사발 때네 다 대다 대신 주 가로 동해조 내 임바당 대화조 내 임바라 소바다 내게 레단 지뷰기 내주 상계 가데 소야바 이네야 대라 대다 대베 다는 신베 덴바레 여바레 산다 미루 이첸 나제 앞에는 부중 마행 부중 말라 이된바 더부스 베나 아마게 부중주주나 데나 아마게 다든 드리지기요마 베드지기요마 말슬라 델리아지 가르르에다지 소수에게 세메 장베기 녜시 템포 매베이냐 아메게 나라 다 가르르지 이첸지 대숨매바 델리아 가르르에 대숨매바 이지 템포여바
When we have faith that it is possible or appropriate that from a virtuous cause that a pleasant result is possible. It is impossible that an unpleasant or painful result will happen. Or when we have the confidence that from an unvirtuous cause, the result of a pleasurable result arise from it. In other words, when we have the confidence that the karma cause and effect, as it was taught by the Buddha, is true, and we think to ourselves, this is how it is, this is what it is like. And so we have this confidence and belief that it is unfailing like that. That is the trusting faith. It is like a little child who, when little children see their mother, they believe anything that their mother says. They think that it's true. They may not have any really validly instilled faith through or knowledge of their own that instilled through their own accord, but whatever their mother says or does, they think this is how it is, this is how it must be. And it is that sort of stable confidence and trust.
다 디팅도 되는 가담베 배슈사들 망고 여러바다 배슈사 디즈나로네 가르송 알았잖아 다 데이팅도 원은 쉬기 전한게 대바 다 세메 참베 대바서 말하다 원은 쉬기 전한게 대바 되네 게임 관계가 칠미도바 다 된데게 대바 되네 차외동에게 랑진 배매 소란 주보다 다 니지스다 랑제 체바치 요나드네 가르 체바치 치니베 차외 동용주스나 안에 랑보제티조 배매 소나로레 jun로레 수직이 까두고 말했어 나고 랑보제 숙청보르제다 수직이 까두고 말했어 내고라샤야 jun로레스 데니 주산 텐더버체네 차외 동에게 랑제 배매 소란 주보다 다 배순으로 대샤다 간다냐 게임 관계가 미즈와서는 치르도도 미두바 다 된제게드네 가르소에다 와는 쉬기잖아 대바 다 디지비는 대바시 자로 다 간다 가이네미네 가르소에 된제게다 와는 쉬기잖아 대바 디지비는 대바시 소르지 아주 잘 알았어
In many of the texts of the Kadampa traditions, they give examples of these. And one of the types of faith they talk about there is the faith of those with sharp valid reasoning. And because they have valid conviction, then they can't be turned back, or their faith cannot be reversed or altered by any conditions or circumstances. It's said that their faith is like an elephant scorched by heat who rushes towards the lotus pond. And so when you have an elephant in hot weather who's very hot, and the elephant sees a lotus pond, they rush towards it. No one can turn them back because elephants are really strong. So no one can stop an elephant when they decide that they're going to jump in the lotus pond. And so similarly, when we have that sort of faith that we can't be turned back by any circumstances or any conditions, then that is the faith of following the Dharma of those who have sharp faculties. And so if we include this type of faith, then there would be 4 types of faith.
저와다 의시든 주 관계급수이네 대발에 개셔와메스 유엔된 알 맞이바 깨버치 네버치 네버 고네 곤도 페버치에발라 페버체네 터두 다베 상기 공부 마섭지 바도 규이 조인스 다들 소야베베 레인주산에 다게 대바디 개셔시다인스
So faith is critically important in all phases of our practice. It's important during the preliminary, during the actual practice, and during the follow-through or the conclusion of our practice. In all of these phases, none of them will work without faith. Faith is said to be important in developing qualities that we have not had, in keeping and making them remain, in increasing the qualities, and finally, ultimately, in achieving the result of a Buddhahood. None of these will occur if we do not have faith. And so for this reason, faith is like the cause of everything, and it is very important.
하와도 딱 거유빈 단 정도 다보 거유빈 철려다 대배 나는 게 무구디 신도 다 개셔와 드네 인두산에 중지된 숨경기 중고지가 나로라 또밖에 왜다 무구 kho나랑 게 근데까지 봐 임레스
And in our tradition of the Kagyu tradition, the protectors of beings, then it is said that faith, and in particular, in particular in the Drikung Kagyu tradition, it is said that faith. Okay. So this is in the words of the Drikung Kyopo or Jiten Sumgun. It is said that faith and devotion is extremely important. What he said is that the method for developing the method for developing faith is the method for developing realization is only faith.
다 되게 가르쳐다 무구 권한마도 신다 강고 메사가 된다 그 말에 가에서는 가시에게는 무구 까보치도 없어 여배 인두산에 아니 무구를 신다 강 무구 봐다 진짜 가르쳐지 숨발라 고알랭게 알아디 이변에 갑들이야 또밖에 왜다 무구 권한 게 셰베게 셰바테게 무구마다 신다 강냠네 신다 그거 말했어야 된다 말했어.
Now, sometimes when people hear this, they think that it means that, that you don't need to do anything. All you have to do is have devotion. And so when we hear about devotion as being the panacea for, that brings all positive qualities, then sometimes if we might think that you don't need anything other than devotion, but that is not how it is. What it says when we say that what it says is that it's necessary to have devotion in order to develop realization. It doesn't mean that you don't have to do any other practice other than devotion.
But 상기 좀 되게 장소 수준 보르rel리 아니 제질라 신딜라 연합 라메 전주 여바이 대면나 라메 전주 매바이 인스데 소아레스 근데 이제 다 되게 가르송으로서는 장소 수준 보르rel리 근데 소아레스 다 되게 장소가 최 신앙 무급에 된다 말했어 이내야 장소가 최 리릴라야 죽베게 최바께 밤 쪼아게 된도 되네 가르소에 다 pen 조다데 장소 추 리기다 펜연을 최바께 외체도 안 상게들이 손 알아서 대다 내지 버렸어.
For example, it is just as how when the Buddha was speaking about the 37 factors of enlightenment, in speaking of each of them, he said, if there is this quality, then you will be able to achieve, then there is the unexcelled enlightenment. And he said this about each of the 37 qualities. And in saying them about each of the 37 qualities, he didn't mean that you didn't need the others of the factors of enlightenments. He said this about each of the 37 factors of enlightenment in order to create enthusiasm and in order to create joy in each of all these and to praise their benefits and qualities. And so he said that each of them was necessary for enlightenment in order to create excitement or enthusiasm about the 37 factors of enlightenment. And it is similar here.
大家来母语下的他念的，当我被他念的，送了个他念了，台北是个样的。但是就是啥呢？他全都这个当我被个他念当，送了个他念，他讲话嘛，他全都这个那个这个差的。
And so in this way, devotion is a term that comes from key instruction. It's a term that comes from the scriptures. From the other scriptures are actually, in meaning, they are the same. There's just a slightly different usage of the two.
다다 공도 슈베 대반 넘버 숨 이셰베 대반 당외 대반 뇌베 대반 넘버 숨예베 나네 나 뇌베 대반디 매베이나 대반 신기 나 대반 대반 신기 고시라 추어 만스 가라서다 이셰베 대반다 당외 대반 사다 파지지 가르종 안조 지라베 뇌 대반으로지 소수 가르쳐 유리야 봐 가르쳐다 봐对吧 잠만 텔라 레와쮸바 잠마도베 수수응외네지 배주체네 다른데 지기 뭔데기 드보르시 당도 녀고 삼사로지 매비나 아니 군조스물 봐 지 레와르 지기 꺄브르 지기 대바 잠마도베게 되네 수수응외네 타바다 탐지시마 뭐서 토야라 왜 대바 이체베 대바다 당외 대바 점시 고치고 말했어 당원에 지 소소 탈베 고마 주고 왜 이미나 진짜기 꺄브쥐야 로점도对别 로점시 뭐인바 아 된데베 다 공방데 라메 천주기 공방데 전이기 원도 저 전이기 토버차 삼바다 니지기 원도게 대바디 개심 쉽지 사디 어레스 안드니 주사디 주제데네 무구사데 가르쳐 고르선 원도게 대바되라고 대바 넘버 숨기 나네 원도게 대바들이야 무구사데 데라 고알랭고 요비 브레스
And so for that reason, of the three types of faith, the trusting faith, the longing faith, and the trusting faith, longing faith, and clear faith, it is the longing faith that is indispensable. Without longing faith, then the other two types of faith do not become true faith. For example, if we have
the benefit,
or they're not effective or beneficial types of faith. For example, with the trusting faith, it's like dependent upon the object. It's sort of looking at it. It's putting your hopes on or depending upon the object, hoping that they will bring you some sort. And so helping that they'll protect you. So like when you have the clear faith in the three jewels, it's like you're putting your hope in them, hoping that they will protect you. But unless you do some sort of efforts on your own, they will not be able to help you achieve the ultimate results. So neither the trusting faith nor the clear faith will actually bring a result. And so it's not enough just to have the faith where you're hoping for some protection, where you're depending upon it. It is important for us to have the faith where we actually put effort into doing something and actually try to do it ourselves. So in that way, the faith of longing is extremely important. And when we discuss devotion, then what we mean by devotion is this longing faith among the three types of faith.
Today in Hindustan, mugu sa de sik ni ge gwan chu ya de dang bu de me de ni ba de gu de me sa de ka de sana da lama sangye gi khoma sa mar we sanan de do lama ma jan na de do sangye gi khoma lam de do ka dar sangye gi khoma thobar de be lo mi se ba ji 당이 공부하면 찜으로 냠바로 든지게 다 롬미세바 레와 첨부 시부지 다이지게다 롱깅 사르지 자게를 가르 지다에서는 좀 다 가르라고 그러다 간다르베 가르 거왕스마 다 든데르지 유에데바지 다 든데지리아 메바스가 알아서 다 구바스 주산에 덴드베데 공부한데 랑기 쏘단 되네 베 쏘다 제부 잡네 민도로왕 야나 대대로 공부하는 신도 니에 가와지 인베 인자 텔레야베 시부지 가르죠 니에 가와 공부 대대지 니에 가와 공부하는데 탑에 탑 그바 신부 전바 신부관에 냠설해봐 딱그 사르지 당 시사를 비죠 시세식 잡네 다 내게 공부하는데 전바 신부 몇번 가르쳐다 점바 첨부 탑도 매주 첨부관에 다 주버 제바 내려야 무기스가 아래 단 너나 랑게 몇바 제세기 이문께서 몇바 제세기 유 탐지 캠베 타바도 탐지 캠베 공방 대코네다 공방 된도 니와라 그거 전부 깨네 준주 깨봐 다 전해질이야 버지 가르쳐다 무기 속이야
The Tibetan word we translate usually as devotion is mugu. And actually it's a compound of two words, me and gu. So the word me here means that there is the unexcelled state of Buddhahood, or you could just say the state of Buddhahood. This is a strong, long, huge hope that you think if an unbearable hope, if that state. And so this in English we can call longing, the strong longing that you can't bear the thought of not achieving it. And then the second word, gu, refers to that even at the cost of your life, you will not give up your wish, your longing for this. And so it's seeing that what you want to achieve is extremely difficult to achieve, and so then putting real strong effort into achieving that, being very diligent about achieving that, and working at the, and so using the methods and the effort, with great methods and efforts. And so in this way, we can...
dedicated.
So being extremely dedicated. So we could say that it's being dedicated. So longing and dedication, we could say. So in this way, it's like it's having such great longing for the for what you feel faith in, the state of or for what you want, the state of liberation and omniscience, and having only the longing for that you are extremely dedicated to it, and you are extremely diligent about it. And so that is what we mean by the Tibetan word mugu, which we usually translate as devotion in English.
대답이다 무구대야 퇴발에게 무구다 삼발에게 무구다 공발에게 무구 나나바숨 영어처럼 예비메레 이나야 다 퇴삼을 처음에 무구디 무구 때보면 있어 무구 때보 도도 매바데 금중을 때네 개고아레 스타트 내숭 예비메레 대양 다 금중이 냠네 제베깔 빼나 솔람다 졸람당 다 통람 검람 다 지솔에 준비신도 ane be mugu cheru somar be ta dindegi ji karju ruju be ta dindegi karju jizu ya yobe imbares
With devotion, there is devotion that arises from listening, devotion that arises from contemplating, and devotion that arises from meditating. And of these three, it is said that the devotion that arises from both listening and contemplation is not stable. If we want to have stable, irreversible devotion, then that needs to be the devotion that arises from meditation. And so as we simulation, training, seeing and meditation, then our devotion goes stronger and stronger. And so there is this one way of explaining it.
Ta tela yang kondu shubana shire ngara solya ta dindegi be ngonde tebasane dando mugu ji ge me sade samlo tongwa ru chadiare mugu namju mugu ye sambategi ngone gorendu sane ya karjureji 양고 가수에 고렌주산에 메데버다 근데 용대가 하래 대라야 빼나 대야 지주밀레베기 나브라타발라 사우노타나 신내지 아주 무규사디 지 사가 촌한데 레아여비지 렌도 삼창게
So as I've said before, we really need to think about whether we actually have such a longing faith, or you could call it the devotion. So we often think that, yes, I have devotion, and yet when we really examine it, it's difficult to say that we do. So it's like, for example, if we read the life story of Milarepa, it's only then that we begin to get a feeling for what devotion actually is.
지주 밀라레베기 다쿠지 되라. 되네 디보 망보사. 랑 마그 된도 디보 망보사. 다 디보 망보사네 Pena tu tambo di gebju sane misu songa se ore atene ya namtar khashe na chebi na digi tene ya jesu yanga ji tu khashe gyenche khanda mi mangbo ji sebe keja mi shibju ngob ji sebe keja tene yore 세상 진짜 다 딕션 보지 싸요 왜 인도산에 아니 가서래 지주 밀러래 바디 오늘 가서 코랑기 나 오늘 땅에 딕션 보시 싸서 근데 인도산 다 늦잖아 다 가서래지 근데 인도산 다 딕발은 겨 보시게 딕발은 겨 보시게네 다 딕자네 다 세들이 오늘 가서래 상계 공부하지 토나마도 새롭지마 근데 냐와는 저가 레 상황 사사 레인주산에 다들 쳇질레 상야 당화지 고도 삼제 애들이 다들 가바르 지시에 요즘 말해 다들 이제 다들 고도 gondu산에 고도 gondu산에 아니 가르쳐주사나 가사디 녀데와 주샤
With Milarepa, in the first part of his life, he did many wrongs, he did many wrongs at the behest of his mother, and so he sorcery. And when he first did this, he killed 35 people. In addition to this, some life stories say that he also cast sorcery another time or two. And so basically, he killed many people. We can say probably 40 or 50 people that he killed. And so he thought to himself that he had accumulated so many huge wrongs that he thought, I've done such huge wrongs that he felt great regret for it. And he thought that either he had to achieve the state of Buddhahood in this lifetime, or otherwise he had already accumulated the karma that was definitely going to cast him into the lower realms. And so he felt that he definitely needed to get the instructions to achieve Buddhahood in this lifetime.
Hindustan, Hindustan, and Jizu Marbadan J. And Jizu Marbala and be Sijil Sangya, Tanga Yeva, Korang. That Nijigi Kashruda, Jizu Marbalea, the Niji Ruda, Yeva Sijil Sangya, Tanga Yev, the Hako. K. The Hindustan and be Marbegi Kashruda Marba Mada Beta, Unetin She. Lamar Damavdia. That Itolia, so that diction was savvy, tig, no never of the Shibuji in the Takaracheguchunia, Carbarji, Cheagi, Chego, some of that Ligico, Leotonsen and Semlia, that new double. That the Legit Tone, and the Jimmy Sedusane, that Tabechelia, Gaje, Bezu. That's the issue.
And so that being the situation, he went to look and met Marpa the translator. And he understood that Marpa the translator had the instructions to achieve Buddhahood in one lifetime. And so he realized that there was no choice. It was only Marpa. There were no other lamas who had these. He had accumulated such grave wrongs. He knew that he had to do whatever was necessary. And he had that dedication, or that he gave up everything else and thought that was all he could do. He had such great confidence in his mind. And so for that reason, he was able to undergo such extreme hardships and extreme effort for the sake of the Dharma.
제가 드리시 두산 딱한다. 지주 마르바 드리지 까제 베주 뉴루 드리지 차고 되고 로규 감정을 하래. 되고 가수에다디 델레야 드리지 용과 미용 까매지 드리지 주물에. 나이는 가수로 건지셔야 돼요. 가수로지 상기 고마사 타바이 고마사 지 가수에다 드리지 지주 밀려야만 신. 그래서 가수 미톱 까매르지. 드리지 삼르시다야만. 아 중나야 아버도 마중나야 디스레 삼사로 지가. 칸데 시고 말디네 다 되나도 sem불 디소르죠다. 상게 고마토는 도로체네 아버로다. 이네 마톱네 딱아 칸 규미도 생겨는 비치다. 내르비시야. 드리지기다 무기지 과요. 드리지 삼로 드리지 예비나 아니 수수기 텔레야 람텔레야 쩨바 쳔보지다. 텔레야 드니베 가수에 베바 쳔보지 제가 깔락하고 드레이 디규설 때네 아니 가수에 되니 제가 넘주 거뒤이미는 아주들이 다 삼바 삼점 이기나는지 삼바 꿀롱 슈라지 매바 되게 만담이 아주 상로래야 대 견데 중나 중심으로 주제 드레이 민주산에 근데 먹이기 되네 가르쳐 년태게 택반에 손데 여기 상아 도시 TV에 팔로야 다 호말 꿀롱디 꿀롱 슈장 버스 고아레스 년중 배나 고알에 예버는 중와서 두산다 고알에 로 시도 로 잡아지 로네 다 델레베 쉽지 가르에 셴로 쉽지 겐 디데지기 토네 다 코알레 찌타르치아로 디데지기 삼로 슉 차버지 깨고 하다 개심버레스 다 되고 가르에 돼 타나야 디데지 거 나는 티고 심백가로야 란디 이제를 로 차불로안 델레베 가르지 셴바띵니 로안에 되네 신드 심징 제도다 심기야 다들이 이제 이중 미중 다로 되지 거라 예 맞을 되어만다 아 요마라서나 디 한바르 산적 유기되디 이내야 다디 슉 잡고지 요만 저만 모임바 슉 잡고 되지 요만 되지 매베 인두산에 되네 람 간데지 베즈 쉐비나 다디 당보도 와버지 악사르 버치 섬을 데지 악사르 세두산 당보도 와버지 잘라는 마서는 사버를 레두산 될 인트레스트 버지 간데 버제도 악사르 쉐 디네 걸리 라근 죽만나지 통도 레두산에 되네 가르소에지 죽장마도 봐 냠랭기 죽 육승마도 봐 다들 이제 원에 있어 다디 인두디 균센 소데 네 그런 슈라지 매 아데 인두산에 디 균센데네 담바 고만놈이 가르친 거라서는 아졸려다 라마 고마 베나 그 유이 라마 고마 되수이네 담보 구지 때래 깽에 잡아지 중 깽에 잡아지 중버텔라 때네 딱 간다라 코알라 로로 선한다도 셴발로네 드네 이제 라도 중화당 야나 라도 중화함 야나 지금 주발레 시과 담배 취를 씹었는데 취를 주었는데 경가래도스 아주 다 기부 대보는 쟤네 리걸리 기부는 쟤네 다들 아주 취를 씹대고 다들 기부데 시라디 뭐네 가르소에 섬리야 남살라오 주었다 위기 다들 내게 간다라 섬리야 진짜 다 그런 슈자지 뭐정도 내 뭐정이 지체게 천대 되년 머신도 지다 체대 되년 머신 마다베 다 야부지 영화 갈라 가버려서
And so in this way, we can see from the stories of the forefathers that it's necessary to undergo through such difficulties, to undergo such hardships and effort. So this is how Milarepa went through this. But we need to look and see, how is it for us? When we think about the state of achieving the state of Buddhahood or a state of omniscience, then do we really have such strong effort to it for it as Milarepa? We may say with our mouths that we want to do it, but we do not really actually have that same strength of motivation that it is within the depths of our being. And so if we don't have that strong wish to achieve liberation or that wish to achieve Buddhahood, then how is it that we can actually develop real devotion? It would be difficult for us to put in the effort and the diligence that is necessary for us to practice. And so usually between the two aspects of our intentions and our actions, we don't put enough emphasis on our motivation. We need to have a really strong motivation. And the problem is that our motivation is not strong enough. And so from whatever path we are doing, from the paths of the listeners up to the paths of the secret mantra Vajrayana, we need to have a very intense motivation. For the paths of the listeners, you have the motivation of renunciation, or the wish for, the longing for liberation. It's a strong revulsion that has developed for samsara. And thinking about that revulsion for samsara, then you do everything you can to liberate yourself from that samsara. And so does that strength. And we need to have that strength of devotion, or that strength or that intensity of our intentions. Likewise, in the Mahayana, we need to have a really strong revulsion for any wish to bring benefit to ourselves. And we need to think that we need to have the intention of doing everything for the benefit of sentient beings. And yet, when we look at ourselves to see whether or not we actually have such a motivation, we can see that we do not really have that strength, that intensity of our motivation. We don't have that unmodified motivation really in the depths of our hearts. And so for that reason, it's difficult for us to actually what efforts are we actually able to put into the path? We do not have enough interest or ability to do that. And even if we start the path and we're not able to really maintain it and bring it to development. And so the main thing is that we don't have that intensity of the motivation that we really need. And so when we look at the lives of the Kagyu forefathers, we see that in the first parts of their lives, they encountered terrible difficulties. And because of these terrible difficulties, they then developed renunciation or revulsion for samsara. And because of that revulsion for samsara, then they either became monastics or they engaged in their Dharma practice. But we find it enough to just sort of enjoy our lives and to have a pleasant life. And because of this, then we don't have that intensity of motivation in ourselves. And so it ends up that whatever we end up doing really ends up being just for the purposes of this life alone, and it is difficult for it to really turn out well.
다 진짜지 개대 아주 진짜지 무규지 갈라 간섬로지 다 무규로 진짜지 예비 있나 아니 시다 베즈도 시다 채먹어 봐 다가서 베즈 제다 채워야 돼 이냐 베 가서 베즈 때서 뜬저 어떠한다 베즈 시다 채먹어 봐 뉴르도 상계 고마토야 다 진짜지 고급 예비인 버렸어 대예바대야 준지 지인시나 추지에 다볼라지 니메질이야 다볼라지기 되네 제 공바사데 공로만 개집지와 삼성 군주의 공바니 집발에서 내용이 다가다 집을 되네 규숨께 바당 되네 캄바도게라서 번 dinde기 초바 망보지 초대에 젤이야 되네 카페버스 깔업 나오르스 깔업 가르나르스나 다 계란주 된동에게 까와빠도 매버 제베인스 되네 인두산에 계란주 제고야 까지 탐지 녜웨 계란주 제도 제사인스 근데 계란주 소화다 답 지부 초바인스 소화답시나 아버지답시나 대지부단 득대버지 소시스 되네 까나버스 된 다는 신기 자고 상바 신비경 당에게 최 컨디지비네 최 컨디지 염살라면 대 고아점을 마셔버치네 understanding someone 고아점을 마셔버치네 최 가래 갈래카요는 딩아랑 라렌도 봐 땀니 염살레베 예수 대안배 깬토도 가르소에 깬다 세네 고바이스 되네 인두산 연대 컨디지비네 이면점도 류메스다 심규리 조르디스 진짜 톱나 섬니 가르소 이면기 유점도 많이 봐 다간다 심규리 조르네 바이스 되네 표숨 수업에 다치 딘디 상마르베 친한게 딘디 표숨 수업에 딘디 탐제베 딩니 까와 탐제 녜제샤요스 되네 그냥 소환된 게 소리 기부서야다 세네 진짜지게 다 까당버렸다 다 되게 녜 딘지랍샤
And if we have that sort of devotion, then just having that devotion means that we will not have to put as much effort into the path. Of course, we still will have to put efforts in, but in comparison, it is not as much. We will have the opportunity to quickly achieve enlightenment. And one reason for this is, as Gampopa said one time when there was an assembly with Gampopa and his nephew Gompa, the Dusum Kempa, and the Kampa, the man from Kam, Dorje Jeltsin, and so forth. At that point, Gampopa gave a little talk, and he said, "For your sake, I have gone through..." So Kampa, the man from Kampa Dorje, is actually Pamajupa. And at this point, Gampopa gave a talk. He said, "For your sake, I have undergone incredible difficulties, and I have all done this for you so that you will not have to do such difficulties. I have already done them for you. It is enough for you to just supplicate me." Likewise, the great master Gotsampa also said that when I practiced the Dharma, I did not just leave it at a mere understanding. I practiced all of the difficult dharmas, and I wasn't let myself to be overcome or swayed by circumstances. I did the practice, whatever practice was difficult, and I did them fully, not just leaving them as something that I imagined that I had achieved, but actually developing it within my being. And so in this way, I accomplished all of the interdependent conditions, the external and internal conditions, so that for you. So it is enough for you to just supplicate me and supplicate me and enjoy yourselves.
다티 가르 드나르도 가르sun고였으나 드네 지당기 렌지 귤라야 렌지 계제나 녜랭기 귤 니야로와 예외 인두사네 녜랭기 귤데 다 간사르니 기츠바 코나라라 레버마다 거기 고만나버지 빠소소 사야 말바 다이네야 렌지 제겐데 랑라 녜랭기 준주데 시럽 예베이네야 렌지 제겐 거기 기라마 다 딘데 매베이나 거기 기라마 매베이나 다 민주바 드네 인두산 디균젤 데네 치 gen sanandrado leji chigen sanandrado ta chi gen ka yu la me chobar chene kawa jara tume go ne de beba chene ta ka yu la me jibo mar ta kandar sangye de chenju san ba na ta yawa khoma nam gi kandar karso ya da ji kambe che man jangma de garche resana kimjang na lo man jangma de garche resana kala sa chojo 부고다 아바다 디주 나로 레스 클라스 아주 클라스 트리첸데 샤죠 다가난 신거주 라만 디주기 최대도 냠소 렌 초조 땡 초조 루 초조 제는데네 쇠쇼아르스 나디 다 까와제오르 당아주 소안데 버 집이 초사데 소안데 버사데 다 두개 잡데바지 라마 두개 잡데 집이 팽거 말에 소안데 버사게 쇠նդ입라 냠네 탐지 상위에서 다 소안데 버 드레인 주산에 아주지 소원 뎀스두산 대가스 프레이어 그런 쇠նդ입 책임되는 도바 좀 많이 봐 간다량 라메 숨어든시 다 냠소 렌 뉴바 다 딘데지 충분히 미나 되네 링브로 믿어봐 까제된 배봐 시라 재미가 봐다 간다라 뉴르도 제 상계 고마 토야요 봐나 딘데게 개바 상보 지 야레소 드네 인주산 디균제 되네 안가주 딘데게 가르쳐야지 와다드겐 퇴일 침벽고네 매주 제거하디 계시머래 퇴일 침벽고는 매주 제도나 제네 가르쳐야지 준비 좀 가르쳐 까왕 좀 사지 기지지 봐 디소로 제지 준주 침벽고는 좋도나 신도 녀가와 다 간다. 신도 톱가 상계 공부하는 것이 임비네. 톱주 매매지 말았어. 톱도 그랬어. 드리지.
When we talk about the causes for something, there are two types of causes. There are the cooperating conditions, and there is the substantial cause for something. So the substantial cause for us achieving us alive enlightenment is our own efforts, our own diligence and efforts. And this is, of course, necessary. This depends upon ourselves. But the cooperating conditions are the external conditions or circumstances that we're in, and these are something that the Kagyu Lamas have prepared for us. They've gotten us ready. And without these Kagyu and without these cooperating conditions, no matter whether or not we have the actual cause, we will not accomplish anything. And so the Kagyu Lamas have already done the efforts to provide us with the external circumstances or the cooperating conditions. And actually, it's not just the Kagyu Lamas who've done this, it is all of the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas and great masters of the past. So it's like the mother in a household who prepares the meal for everyone so that it's ready and waiting for them when they come home. So it's just ready, waiting for them to eat. In the same way, the Kagyu Lamas have, through their efforts and difficulties, they have made it ready for us just to do the practices and do everything without as much extreme effort. And so when we say here that then, when the Lamas say that it is enough to just supplicate the Lama, then that doesn't mean that we don't have to do other practices as well. What it means is that all practices are complete within the supplication. It doesn't mean that we can just sit there wailing a supplication or a prayer. And so it means that that everything is ready. The Lamas have taught the practices and we are able to practice them. And so if we supplicate and we have that devotion, then after not such a long time, we will be, if we undergo the difficulty and undergo the hardships and put the effort in, then we will be able to quickly reach the state of Buddhahood. We have the fortune or the opportunity to do this. And so we have to understand this as meaning that we have to have that we need to seek it in this way. We need to put the effort into enlightenment. And if we do so, then we put in the effort and the diligence, and then we will achieve that which is very difficult to achieve, the state of Buddhahood, without much difficulty.
아메게 베라 칼라 지지야 다 칼라 지지도산 다 소수 베지샤데 망부지 샤고야 만다 소수 칼라데 사고 칼라데 사디 칼라사데 칼라사인 제베 칼라사 칼라카르다 칼라사데네 소르 겹제 제세데 마 당샤들 봐 다디 야부지 제비나 아니 고 좋아냐는 직자로 봐 안들 인도산에 데르브제 다들 인도산에 다 값 봐방 안수디 가르르다 주메기 군주에서 말하다 노스 주투예베 임베레 나리 임비나 가성만이 쉬는 시래 나르게 뒤줄이야다 베나 지리 별 간증이 종기 한번 상계에 땜바 양구에서 지그 유땜바 달롱 동차 침바 동타는 여다 네 나로래야 니지기 고급 그주세 니지 고급 자첨부지 머종이 말해 대 고급의 머종이 민지다 머종에 대한지 라마 고모는 투지 체험 와 충의 균생이 뭐이마 난갑디 두산 다간다 유디 내급 요한가 다 니지기 가르가르에 고급지 머종이 말해 다다다 이제 고급 상부세네 장도 고급 야부지 도스토예베 인주산에 다 고급디 덤진시제 아주 되게 고급 덤진 수수용원에 배바되는 거한테 개침을 해 가인사는 아리네 고급 민두 체제 아주 카다스럽지 하래 다다 다 고급 예배 인주산에 수수 배주체 맞아요 맞아요 다 고급 예비 인주산에 디균세 되는 아주 배주체가 와대 계신부를 주제 삼정이
So when a mother has prepared the food and then you just come home and eat it, there's not a whole lot of effort that you need to do. Eating food, all you have to do is chew it and swallow it and enjoy the flavors, and that's fine. So here we are at the Winter Dharma gathering for nuns. And as I have said before, in the past, over the last 1,000 years of Tibetan Buddhism or Kagyu Buddhism, such an opportunity, such a vast opportunity has not occurred before. And the fact that there hasn't been such an opportunity before is not a sign of the masters of the past lacking compassion or lacking the intention. Rather, it is a question of the time and place that it did not occur. But in any case, now we have achieved such a good opportunity. And now that you have such a good opportunity, you have to take ownership over that, of that opportunity. It's your own individual responsibility. In the past, it would have been enough, we could complain, oh, we didn't have the responsibility, but now we can't complain. You have the opportunity. And so you have to, and whether you put the effort into it or into taking it or not is up to you. And so it is important that we put effort into it.
다 이내야 강해지 가려워서나 아주 지조 돌려야 미럽니 미럽스 교배다 금주이스 침배 따와로 지어봐 따와 아다 부메스 니레지고 알았어 나 니레지면 다 부메데 진레레 듀리스 하는지 딜레지기 다 가르쳐 따다로 지어래 아 따다로 듀리스예비 인두산에 지조에 딘데 따다요 수수응에네 다 니레지고 알았어 사람 따다로 지어비 딘데가 도안에 부메라 지 따당 노르와 따당 상부모이면 늦지여비 인두스 딘데가 도안에 참섬 지 부메수입니다 법에 만당와 야나 가르주에 가르주에다 뉴베 만당와 딘데기 니수 경고하래 나 이내야 나 딘데가 따당 눈주지엔데 아주 소식 갖고 와야 돼 알아서 따와 로버사디 나바상 나네 개치주지 가르쳐서나 간다 지린 직행 아주 떠주 미지 떠주 안다나 신외비 니주를 떠주디서 떠주 양다번 진과디 즉钱呢 다시 다음에 받당 동번일에 수업에 따와 남샤 망부지 송과 김진디 조조 안한주에게 다 떠주 로바 대달에 겹네 따와 만으로와 지다 따당 만으로와지 과디 개심이바 따디 최 탐제기 자와서는 다도 카바토야 자와로도 대인바 아들 순거 알아 제가 된 안주 따와디조 논주제시 예비나 따텔라 요상 과다 마다바 다버셔 과디 개심시라래
But the difficulty that we face is that in the society over many generations, we have a habit or a custom of saying that, oh, women shouldn't be like that, women shouldn't do that. If women do that, then they're like devils or like demons. And so there's this societal view of women. Sometimes because from the society, we feel that influence from society, then we each individually think, oh, I should be like that. And so if we do that, that is a mistaken view, and it is not a good view. And from that view, that is what often leads to the situations where we lack enough confidence or we lack enough ability to do something. And so that is a wrong view that we must change ourselves. And in Buddhism, actually, we consider fixing or changing our wrong views to be very important. It's like the foundation of all our Dharma practice is having a correct view of the world, a correct view of the human life, a correct view of the way things actually are. And that is the reason why we have such extensive presentations about the selflessness of the selflessness or emptiness and so forth. Primarily, this is in order to change our attitudes, the way we view things, and so that we can fix any attitudes we have that are wrong or harmful. And so this is because such views are like the foundation of all Dharma, the foundation of achieving liberation. And so if we do have such a wrong view, then it is important for us to change that view, or to make pure what had not been pure.
상계기 가담 안 지주 계획 된슈 마모지가 나로래야 안 참섬 가르쳐야지 부메디 다 경기 중에 임바다 부메 녀모 마와다 경기 중에 임바다 다 먹고 싶지 소요하래 네 치지는 맞지 통유 다들 마주나 가서로 마주나 가서래 디나라 부메사데 치디다 벽에라 부메사데 다시게 얘나 잡아게 푸사는 미테네 푸스 매사데 연대매베 미텔 매스다 부메디 아라도 남지데 미레도 제메레도 사제 직시르바 제바디 미텔제 제메디 다디 마주는 가서라 다가도 교회 망고 셰셔아레스 자외 가단 지주 개베 대주 나로라 데네베 교인이 중에 임바다 녀모 망와다 다 망고지 손아레스 다이네야 다디 디 망보 손여베디 아니 지 룸버소스에 나로래야 수균 따와요 봐 수균 따와지 여베지 대강라 상계 지주 개베 대주 쟁네베 다면데 데네 보메도 렁기베스 다바다 디가리 상계 니레송하다 진주 개변 니레송 알았어 다 이네 디 수야디 괴배왕기 상계이기 나 진주 상계 괴배왕 소샤바지 괴바 가리왕 소샤바지 레사나 딩무스 지 부메레 메르바 쳇도 메이바 데 괴배왕 소샤바지 데 가라스타나 다 지단기 개바이네 지 부메레 차와다 부메네 개바를 차버다 되고 예배인 되게 차번이 와르시와 답변은 아주 자주 공부한 토발이야 뇌뉴 방고 아래 예바도 뇌변용 뇌변 되사 다 something이 가르쳐야지 뇽죽 토발라서 버티솔 인지미지 다 자주 공부 지지부 기자만 다 간다 뇌뉴도 방고 아래 다 뇌뉴 방고 예배인도 사네 뇌변용모라베 녀볼 때는 될베 교연도 따네 다들 뭐 말해서지 그 교연도 따고 하래. 따고 교연 따고 주사네. 녀모는 교연 따연도 산다. 녀모기 처유 에디솔라양 베지. 다 미도바 공발라서보다 내거라 지 이동화. 차베 이동화 되솔 이도 미워. 다 진짜 되소 괴배왕기. 송샤버치다. 다가나 시갑 되두사네 은 상계기 다 gelomadi chizu da chungdebaji mato dingela sangi geloma mache da gelong pada da na rabdo chung pa gengaru chadi yare da dizula da sangi gi da bumegi gyen da bumegi garueji gyen da dizu ngore na da dizu ji garue chagwan yawar shiwe 된다려 드리지 송샤바도 미시 개버 차르셀은 다 멘도사죠. 디나라라 아니 상계래야. 아 답에 분명히 예바 짱야시네. 아 개발은 예바야 말베스다. 그래서 아 개발은 예바야 알았다. 니 예바 드레스 때마 가다는 거. 아 렌주산에 당 오늘에는 개발 분명히 저기 개백이 예바지. 개발됐다. 예변 중에 임바다. 되네 다나 신기베 뇽 채와다. 나한테 막 오늘에는 부메를 상반는 데 상고아르지 차디어디네 까든지 나로리아 다 부메 고망고 된대야데 조응에 당기 콘도슈바나시 상계를 결혼에 대충한테 치수이면 딩에라 개발경가로 차디게 빈 디졸이야 디졸이지 년보대야 된다리아 고배왕기 애들이 봐 소샤거든 립시에 대주 디균셀 때네 레 마도베기 에너지랑기지 부메를 메르답샤베 서럽지 부메디소 가르쇼지 미텔메데서 뜬데게 사만 대주자 디균셀 때네 야 텔라 때네지 셈 shum바게 과르버지다 디게 요만 베르지 부메를 뇨모망가 예비 균셀 데이나 아 제발 뇨모 쳐요 알바 니만 뇨모 쳐요 예비 균셀 도네야 고 제가 대신 고 삼당 저거 도시 버레드니 인두스다네 이내 다티 고바 균세야 바데 하마고 근데 지금 배주로 아버지 땅에서도 뇨모 뒤에 녀볼로 파마송체 미리 녀주 시야체도 상계 가도 배주 땅에서는 정말 말바디 근데 인도 디 하고 가야 돼 개체버리 또 삼
In many of the teachings of the Buddha and of later masters, you do find such statements as that women have more afflictions, that they're the source of many problems, and so forth. But there's a reason why it was said in this way. These were said in particular, and then in addition to it, that then in each different region, there is their own particular view that was added on top of that. And so sometimes it seems like there is a lot of criticism of women in the strict scriptures and in the words of the Buddha and the later masters. But we need to realize that this was all said as an expedient, in an expedient way. There were reasons for saying that. And so what was the reason to say that? It was not to criticize women. That is not the point of it. But the point is that men feel attraction towards women. Women feel attraction towards men, and we need to pacify or quell that attraction and that attachment. In order to achieve the state of arhatship, we need to eliminate all of our attachment and fixation. So in order to achieve the levels of jhana and the deep meditations, not just the state of arhatship, but we need to eliminate such desire. And so it is for that purpose that this was said. When you want to look at the affliction as being a fault, as being a problem, then you start looking at the object that you have the affliction towards as being faulty. And so for that reason, in order to change from seeing something as being attractive to seeing it as being unattractive, it was said, such things were said for that purpose. And then another factor here is that there are more statements like this about women in the Buddhist scriptures because the Bhikkhuni Sangha developed later on in the Buddha's life. Before that, most of the Buddha's disciples were primarily bhikkhus or males. And so for that reason, he often gave them presentations of faults of women and so forth in order to decrease their desire. And there is also a sutra where he describes the faults of women, saying that they have more afflictions and so forth. And then at the end, someone asks him, well, do men have faults and problems as well? And he said, oh, yes, men have stronger afflictions. Men have these problems. And so he also pointed out both. And so the question of this is really to in order for men to recognize recognize that the object is not attractive in order to decrease their afflictions. But later on in the words of the Buddha and in the teachers, it's predominantly talking about the faults of women, and we need to understand that this is said as an expedient thing. It is said for a particular purpose, and when we say this, just merely saying it does not mean that it's a criticism of women or that it's saying that they are somehow less human or so forth. And there is absolutely no reason to be discouraged about this in any way. In fact, we could even look at it, we could say, well, if women have more afflictions, then men's afflictions are stronger. And we can also think about it in this way. So this was said out of a particular need for a particular purpose, and we should not use these statements improperly. These are said in order, if we do not, because if we do, these are said in order to tame our afflictions, because if we do not do them, if we understand this improperly and think that it's criticizing women, then rather than being dharma that is a remedy that will help us tame our afflictions, then it actually becomes something that increases it increases them, and that is not appropriate. And so we should understand this.